So our next topic is how to code text elements. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text like bold text, important text, italic text, emphasized text, marked text, smaller text, deleted text, inserted text, subscript text, and superscript text. Let's go through these elements. So in this HTML file, I have included all these tags in the body section over here. So at a time, we will go through two elements and we will see how it looks on the browser. So the first one is the bold element. The HTML bold element defines bold text without any extra importance. And the next one is the HTML strong element. It defines text with strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. And this is how it looks on the browser. The first two lines. The first one displays bold element and the second one displays strong element. Then we have italic and emphasize element. The HTML italic element defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mood. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. The I tag, the italic tag, is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, etc. The HTML emphasize element defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. A screen reader will pronounce the words in emphasize element with an emphasis using verbal stress. And this is how it looks on the browser. The first one is italic text and the second one is emphasized text. The next two elements are mark element and small element. The HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted, and the HTML small element defines smaller text. And this is how it looks on the browser. First one is marked text and second one is small text. The next two elements are delete element and inserted element. The HTML delete element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. And the insert element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers will usually underline inserted text. And on the browser, it looks like this. The first one is deleted text and the second one is inserted text. The next two elements are subscript and superscript. So the HTML subscript element defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. And the HTML superscript element defines superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. And on the browser it looks like this. The first one is subscript and the second one is superscript. So that is how you can code different text elements. Thank you.